December, the holidays are around the corner, and you already know it. I have Nürburgring license merged for you with additional 10% off if you use code Misha Xmas25 on checkout on Nürburgring.com. From holiday sweaters with Nürburgring design in merino wool in different colors, Nürburgring books that I have helped to co-write, socks, and also, as of recent, we have calendars for 2026. The first couple of hundred of them come signed by me, and some of them contain also very interesting and exclusive giveaway items, such a taxi lap with, not with this car, but another one that we will be unveiling soon for next year, and maybe the Civic, maybe the Mustang, who knows, and a couple of other things. Anyway, head over to Nürburgring.com and now enjoy the rest of the video. This was one of the most unusual cars, but also one of the most fun ones we have driven, because it's a Transit with Fiesta ST drivetrain, right?
Yeah, Fiesta ST, everything.
So the four-cylinder one.
Four-cylinder 1.6.
Yeah, and with lots of supporting mods. So the car, can we see the engine, by the way?
Sure, yeah.
Yeah. So it is running 300 horsepower. You could go, of course, more. You could go, of course, less. But it's a very nice setup because we've done a full lap and the car didn't overheat. So very good management on the whole. Well, on the whole package, I would say, in terms of to heat management, etc. So that's very, very good. Then we have very sticky tires. We are in Yokohama's AO52s with EBC big brake kit running PBS brake pads. Which ones were those exactly?
The Pro Comp S1.
Yeah. I think it's the same what I have on the Civic. Maybe. Chris sent me some, like the grippiest one, so
yeah, that'll be these.
probably those. Yeah. So very good, very nice. Suspension-wise, what do we?
Three ways with external canisters.
Yeah, very nice. And I don't know, is there anything else mentioning?
The standard stuff. So the S280 Turbo Technics Turbo. Tuning. Yeah. Sauce.
And the inside, of course, we have cage, bucket seats, cage, we have shorter shifter by Cooler Works, so it works nicely.
Rear anti-roll bars as well.
Yeah, rear anti-roll bars and side pipe. Yes. And also worth mentioning, the rear axle is a solid beam axle, so I think we have some two-wheel action, maybe
one wheel.
Maybe one wheel actually at some point. Yeah. So I'm hoping that we have some nice pictures that we will see some of that, and yeah, it was really crazy. So thank you so much for making this happen.
No, I appreciate it.
Always happy to drive something unique and out of the box. And yeah, Transit, I think that name will always be linked to Sabine Schmitz, and the Transit challenge. You can definitely do this lap time, well, what Clarkson did in this van, even faster. This is actually a sub-8 car, because we've done like around 8 minutes with some traffic, and it can be significantly faster, especially when you know the car.
That's on mid-boost.
Yeah,
high.
Yeah, high. Minus passenger, minus weight. Yeah. It could be, would be, should be, but no, it's amazing. Hope you guys enjoyed the lap. I definitely had a smile from ear to ear, and fantastic.
I think I did.
Yeah, no, it was amazing. So you're driving Time Attack with this?
Yeah, so we entered Time Attack, the only van in Time Attack. It was a laugh, but it was good.
Nice.
And there were an event on the weekend we were supposed to, well, as we were travelling down here, so I had to miss that one, but I'm glad that I did miss that one.
Yeah, because now you have some fun here.
Yeah, exactly.
Amazing. So just one more look at the interior. The dash is from a Fiesta as well, right? Exactly, and then you have some fiberglass extra extensions.
Yeah, so basically that's part of the Courier dash here.
Yeah.
I've just moulded it and plastic welded it, and then I did do a flocking job myself, DIY. It did look really good when I first done it, but sort of now it's worn off once we start stripping all the interior out. There's still more to come out of it as well. Nice. Very, very cool. No, amazing. Really loved it. Once again, thank you so much. Pleasure. I'm happy we could make it happen. And you guys enjoy the lap. Straight in.
Yeah. I'll give it to you. Alright, so TC's off.
Yeah, fully off.
everything is great. Fantastic.
So
Wow.
you're happy with that then?
What a lap. Yeah, but the handling is insane.
It
It's
is.
really good.
Yeah, it can be pushed a lot. Perfect rotation.
Yeah,
as well.
this weird combination of long axle and everything.
It's almost like you can pyramid it in.
Yeah.
You know, when you can feel it, the back end wants to go that way, and you can just pull it back in. Really sort of like.
Yeah, it's very, very good. It's so stable, so grippy. Wow, and brakes are phenomenal as well. Everything just works.
Yeah. We were a supplier of the PBS.
Nice.
Back in Greater Manchester, and obviously Chris from PBS, he's top with me. Obviously we compete in time attack, don't we? So we go through brakes quite often.
Wow. No, really, 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 really good.
Glad you're I'm glad you like it.
No, it's insane. 'Cause, I'm sure we have some nice pictures.
Yeah,
like
yeah.
over Wipperman, I think the car is like
Yeah.
That was
great. That was
spicy.
great. I appreciate that.
Yeah, thank you so much.
No, that's
I
good.
really enjoyed it. Yeah, that's a proper transit challenge.
Yeah, it is. It is. Somebody who's just done a challenge actually, just been in the Nürburgring, but we'll keep that secret.
Ah, you mean
With,
Danny?
Yes,
Danny
Danny DC2.
Yeah.
I'm going for him next year.
Oh,
Yeah.
Very, very cool.